Om Purnamadam Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you are. This is a second chat, not a talk, okay? Second chat on relationships. Last one, we had talked about right and duties, okay? As a fundamental aspects on which relationships stand, to focus more on duties so that the rights can be fulfilled. Now, today I want to speak to you on something called Maitri. Maitri means friendship. Friendship. So, when in this country, when a girl and boy gets married, after the marriage, the priest is supposed to give a small talk or pieces of advice to the newlyweds. I don't know whether they still do it, but the talk goes something like this. Okay, it's very interesting. So he says, "You, my young man, you, a beautiful lady, you have got married and you want to be holding this marriage for the rest of your life till you go to heaven, right?" So, understand one basic principle, that sex alone will not take you there, and marriage and relationship of two people is not about fun, but it is about growth. Both of you should be in a position to grow to your highest potential. And it is good that if you are friends as two people. In being friends, the relationship will last for a very, very long time. If it is based on fun or sex or these things, then these will not last forever. You will get bored. You will get bored and you will become old. And you are no more lustrous as you are today in your prime. Everything from a flower to a human being to an animal, in their prime they look very, very beautiful, attractive. But as the time passes, the luster goes away. So remember that cannot be the basis of your love and caring. The basis of it has to be friendship. If the two of you can be friends, then you can take all the problems that will come with marriage and life. Because marriage is an institution where there are a lot of problems. Here when I say marriage, it also means partners. Is the new word that is used, okay, between partners. So this you must focus on, because by being friends you will be able to together as a unit, which you have so sown today, manage the problems both outside and inside. Because the marriage is full of problems. There will be issues coming on and on and on, and you will have to solve them. So if you are not friends, It's very difficult to do that. So my suggestion to you, young man, my suggestion to you, my young lady, is that be friends forever. The rest of the things will happen. And surely you will go wherever you want to go and reach the highest potentiality in your life. Now this is the kind of advice or guidance, if you want to call it. Advice nobody wants to take, okay? We call it guidance. Guidance that is given to the young couple. Now today marriage as an institution is being questioned. So let us say between your partners, the same issue remains the same. You have to be friends. If you can't be friends, you will see hatred, anger, violence, and divorce. Whether you are married formally or you are not married formally, this will happen. So, be friends, be friends. Any role you take up, any life role you take up, in which relationship is involved, it's better to be friends. Let us take the case of a parent and child. Okay, I can't take all relationships, but I hope you will work on it. If the parent, from the time the child is young, is friendly towards the child, what will happen? The child will be friendly towards the parent. It is natural. And if the child has a problem, it will openly speak about it to the parents, right? It will, whenever he has a problem with his studies, he will go to the parents and tell them, this is what I am facing, please help me. Or whatever, if it's a problem with a girl, he will come and say, I am not able to handle it, please help me. So the relationship is open, and therefore the child will reach his highest potentiality in due course. It can focus on the role that it has to do because you are friendly. Which role you want to take up, as an employer or as an employee? If you are friendly, naturally everybody will like you. Naturally everybody will be motivated by your presence. Okay? And they will perform, try to please you and to perform to the best of their abilities because you're a good man, right? You're a friendly man. You have less ego. That's why you're friendly. Okay. So here the underlying principle is, which is unsaid, is friendship requires little less ego. So if you're having a huge ego, then friendship may not be possible. You've got friends, right? At least you got one friend, right? Find out to check out how you behave and how your ego is with that person. So the same thing has to happen in all relationships. If it is between brother and sister, there are people who don't have any relationship at all with them. So you try to be friendly. Maybe the person, because of his or her karma, will behave differently. But no harm in being friendly. They won't throw stones at you for being friendly. Okay. So in every relationship, Maitri becomes important. Maitri becomes important because it helps us to reach our highest potential. Alright? Because a relationship, every relationship is about growth. Is about growth. Now, in the process, naturally, there is a certain amount of desires which are there, which will be met. But it will not be the main focus of a relationship. So, if you understand this problem, this issue properly, then you can apply it to every relationship, which means that you have to keep a close watch on your ego to be friendly. Right? So you try it in non-threatening situations first. And then you can try it with threatening situations as well. Okay? So this is the second aspect of good relationships. Okay? Good relationships. It seems very simple, but potentially it is very, very strong. Right? So I hope we all become friendly, if not anything else, okay, for any other reason. Om Purnamadam Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.